Hi guys, so we are yet again here with another live session. And today, our guest for the evening is a person who loves food and is equally passionate about food. So we have Shreya Shah, Folk Spoon Pune, with us as our guest, and we'll just wait a couple moments for her to join in. So we're just waiting for a guest to join in, and by the time you all can just put in all your questions that you have to ask her. And I think we have Shreya, so we'll just invite her. Hi Shreya, hi, welcome to Girls Buzz.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I am doing fine. It's raining so crazy out there.
I know, Pune is going crazy this time.
Exactly.
Yeah, so how's your day been? It's a Friday and we're troubling
No,
you.
no, no worries. It's gonna be a very super network issue wala live session to
Yeah,
do.
I know, but we'll just figure out something.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course. Yeah. Hi, Atal. Hi, Prajwal. Hi.
there are
Hello.
many people joining in.
Yes, right.
Amazing. So, Shreya, starting off, so first things first, tell us something about yourself.
Okay, so hi people, my name is Shreya, if you remember my name, or else you know by my page name, Fork Spoon Poem. Oh my god, I'm fumbling. Yeah. Other than that, I am a BA Psychology Honors graduate from same college as Vaishnavi, apparently.
Yeah.
And what I joined the live session. Okay, hi, Mama. Apart from that, right now I am pursuing my diploma in MBA, and it's ongoing. It's hectic. It's super hectic to create content nowadays, especially with the lockdown and rains. Oh God.
Exactly. I know. It's a big trouble, with COVID situation there all around, and you being a food blogger, you have to try out food. So yeah, I know
Yeah.
it would be pretty difficult for you as of now.
Yes.
Right. All right. So just tell me one thing, like, how did you realize that, you have this eternal love for food, and not only love, I mean, you're passionate about it, and you sort of give reviews. And so, how did you discover this out of nowhere?
Actually, my friends pushed me to this genre because I had no clue about this world about blogging. I used to follow people, that's all, like Instagram
Right.
celebrities, apparently. That's all I knew. But my friends knew that I loved going out with them, different
Yeah.
places. I love to take photographs. I'm a huge junkie for all those things. So that's how I got into this. Like friends of friends made me get into
Yeah.
this field, and I'm very glad that they
Wow.
made me do this.
That's wonderful. I mean, even your page, it's so wonderful. I mean, people might be looking at your page and they might be like, okay, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. So, yeah, that's really good. I mean, all your content is super.
Yes, right. Exactly. That's the mission of the entire page. Stop, scroll, and
Exactly.
rule, please.
Yeah, exactly. So, how did this come into picture? I mean, when actually did you start this what is it? Folk Spoon Pune. When did it kick off finally?
It kicked actually, this page was started by a friend of mine. She
Okay.
started this in 2018 of September of 2018.
Okay.
And in just few months, she gathered a huge amount of people,
Yeah.
like about from friends from MIT itself. There was a huge crowd. There is still the huge crowd of MIT.
Right.
And then she just thought that she needed a partner. So okay, this is the picture that I jumped in, and then that's where I started the journey. I had no clue that there were collaborations also. Like there's a part the collaborations karke bhi that someone would come up to us and ask for this. All of this came into picture like I guess 1 or 2 months since I joined. There was this huge fancy restaurant, like Greece themed restaurant in Yeravda, I guess. Yeah, somewhere in Yeravda. And they approached us. And we were blown out of our mind. Like, what is happening? Does this even happen? So that's when it all started and it's not stopped. So we have recently completed 123 collaborations this month.
Wow, that's a huge number.
Yes,
Wow,
exactly.
congratulations for that. That's so good. So, how has your journey been? I mean, being a food blogger, how does that feel?
It feels like I have to answer the question a lot कि खाने के लिए किधर जाए. So
Yeah.
people stop asking. मतलब ask me, but like my page first. बिना देखे they will DM like, bro, what is good in Karvinagar? As if I know each and every restaurant in Karvinagar. Like 123 number sounds huge, but Pune के हिसाब से is nothing. Pune में तेरा minimum 1,000 yes. हर गली में तो 10 निकल ही जाएंगे. So that is the most question that I'm answering. But apart from that, it's been a really good journey. You know, it has made me grow as oh my god, yeah. So I was saying that this has made me grow as an individual. You know, I was out there in the world talking with brands and clients at a very young age. I didn't that from myself itself. Like at the age of 18, I would be talking to huge brands. So that was a huge learning point for me also. So it has helped me to grow also, apart from the fun and joy that I need to, you know, get to taste so many different things, go to different places. So that is the perk.
Right. So, as you talked about going to like really good restaurants and talking to brands, so how has COVID, like since the time COVID has come into picture, so how has these all things been affected for you? What are the changes that you feel have, affected?
This as an industry, blogging is an industry, and like all the industries, this has been affected a lot because even if they're up and running, like even for a little while, they don't have that much of budget to spend on advertising, and blogging is nothing but promotion and advertising, right?
Yeah.
So it has hit us a huge wave, like oh my god. But still, they're still managing. There are a few other deals that we can come up with. So it's ongoing. Still, I haven't stepped out as going for tables and reviewing itself in hotels. I'm considering the situation, but home deliveries is the new dine-in.
Exactly.
So this is all I've been doing since past 4 months. That is when everyone started up and for the delivery options, right? That is when government. So that is all that has been going right now, and creating content at home, that has become a new go-to because of these reels coming nowadays.
Exactly. I mean, it would be really different for you as well, right? Like you might be used to going out and all of a sudden there's home deliveries and everything.
Very much. And then staying at home, I needed to create some content. तो बनाए क्या घर पे? Cooking तो आता नहीं है, kitchen का cake पता नहीं. So this lockdown made me go into the kitchen and cook something quick.
Yeah. Coming to that, I mean, you have some amazing recipes that are really fun and cool to try out. So how did you come up with this idea?
See, I knew कि मेरा audience क्या है. These are people like us. Sorry, this network is gonna.
It's okay. I completely understand. Yeah.
So I was saying that I know my audience. It's people like us.
Yeah.
And we know nothing about kitchen. Barely anyone would have that much of interest in kitchen right now.
Yeah.
So I came up with something that I would make. Like मुझे खुद को बनाने के लिए problem नहीं होगा. Something that is quick, something that is tasty, something we can go out and have it. पर वो नहीं हो रहा है. Like Starbucks का drinks है या फिर there is Oreo cake or there is McDonald's का McFlurries.
Yeah.
I looking out for recipes and making it at home, which is very simple also and very attractive. Like people watch, save and actually make it at home. And then people do send me the pictures कि यार आज ये बनाया, आज वो बनाया.
Wow. That's so
Yes,
good. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool to, just hop in the kitchen and do whatever you want, like very simple and easy, quick recipes. So that's really amazing.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
So Shreya, where do you see yourself maybe say around 5 years down the line as a food blogger?
As a food blogger, I started this as a part-time thing, as something that I
Yeah.
love to do, and I'm not sure that if I'm going to turn this into a full-time job because I know how hectic this is, and I've got other goals to accomplish in my life apart from blogging. Yes, there is some
Yeah.
accomplishment that I've done in this area, but I would love to flourish that. But this is something that I'll keep on doing as much as I can do.
That's so good. I mean, your followers might be looking up to you, to bringing in
And
some great content.
get,
Yeah.
get some message कि यार सिंहगढ़ रोड पे बताओ कुछ या वाकड़ में बताओ. Like, okay. I need to Zomato it. I quick Zomato and check the reviews. I research myself and then I send them 4, 5 names.
Yeah. And yeah, I mean, searching for food places, good food places, as we can see that there are a lot of, new restaurants and new cafes down in the town and everywhere. So it might be really
Yes,
difficult to keep a tab of all of those things as well.
not a lot. I literally forget sometimes of the places I've been to. I
Yeah.
wouldn't click कि अगर किसने पूछा कि इस एरिया में बताओ.
Hmm.
I wouldn't instantly remind. I need to go through my list कि मैंने क्या क्या देखा है और क्या क्या
Yeah.
पढ़ा है. It's tough to keep a tab of all those things.
Exactly, because the number is uncountable. I mean, they keep
Yes.
increasing every day, I would say. So yeah, that's one thing. Right. So, how has food blogging changed your life? I mean, how has your page changed your life?
Oh my God, this has changed a lot for me. It has given me a sense of individuality, like something to stand out apart from
Yeah.
the crowd, something that I would be proud of myself at the age of 18. Then I
Yeah.
started getting my own team. Then, it just kept on going and going. It was one milestone after another.
Yeah.
People started recognizing me. I went to, the proudest moment was when I went to an entrance exam for this MBA thing.
Yeah.
In that, could you imagine one guy just came up to me? I was wearing the entire mask and gloves
Yeah.
because all the cautionary things. He came up to me and he's like, "Are you this food blogger girl from Instagram?" I was like, "Oh my God,
Wow.
how did you recognize me?" So that, oh my God, that is the highest achievement that I would say I have.
That's
Because
true.
rest
That's
of
true.
the time, someone recommends ki tum dekho, but this is like out of nowhere. So
Yeah.
that was, I'm touched. Thank you.
That's so good. That's so good. I mean, how wonderful it would be, to be recognized by someone out of nowhere, and that's really good.
At the most unexpected place, examination hall mein.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. And even if at the times of COVID, when yeah, actually you're wearing mask and everything, and then also that people are recognizing you, it's amazing.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Tell
So,
me.
yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
sorry.
I was just reading a comment.
Yeah, many people are commenting a lot of things. We'll just come back to that. So, yeah, who has been like your constant support throughout your journey?
Constant support. I guess everyone around me because there were times that I had no partner. I used to work alone. So
Yeah,
I needed someone to take pictures or, go on collaborations with me. So my friends
yeah,
helped a lot in that. Like literally a lot. They used to come around running behind me, with me, tasting the stuff. But still they used to do, everything up to their extent. कि एक shot नहीं आया तो they would take 100 other selfies, 100 other
yeah.
photographs, videos from different angles. So they did a hell of a good job. And then in this, yeah, Moksha has joined in. Yeah, she was a damn good supporter. Yeah,
Great.
we
So, I mean, your friends have been your constant supporter, right? Everywhere.
everywhere, literally everywhere.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. So, coming to a more serious note, like what are the issues or problems that you face being a female blogger on Instagram?
Um, Problems I would say not as a female blogger, but then there are
Yeah,
few brands that come up. I won't name obviously, but
yeah.
ये तो come कि हमें सिर्फ लड़कियां ही चाहिए टेबल पर because we want to do a shoot वगैरह. Then sometimes
Okay.
they would ask like, can we just take your pictures and upload to a profile and all those things. So
Yeah,
इसकी वजह से there are times that there are very good food bloggers who are male, who
yeah.
are men, but they don't get an opportunity just because कि client को चाहिए लड़की का चेहरा चाहिए. So it becomes
Exactly.
very awkward for us also कि मतलब
Yeah,
why? Then
yeah.
I do all such मतलब जब भी हुआ not like starting में but and then started realizing that this is not what I want to do. Just
Yeah.
because gender bias, लड़की का चेहरा चाहिए, sorry. अच्छा creator है करके आओ तो okay fine we'll consider. But what
Exactly.
is this? Yeah. So this is
Yeah,
what
this is
happened.
exactly, exactly. And I think this is there in every industry. I would not say like only in food blogging, but most of the industries they go for female pictures or female faces just to promote their brand in a better way.
Yeah. It does not matter कि मतलब वो सीधा
Exactly.
बोल देंगे it's okay if we don't like the product or
Yeah.
don't like the food or anything. Just say good things or just give your face as a image for the brand and something. It's like why?
Oh God. I didn't know this part of this industry, you know. I was really unaware of this thing.
It happens, it happens. Like there is particularly वो लिख के आता है ऊपर email में भी
Yeah.
female influencer wanted.
Oh my
Like as
God.
a sounds very hard, but still
Arey
it
baap,
does.
this is amazing, man. This is like another level. I really didn't know about this thing that, you
Like
know.
Bollywood industry feels.
Yeah.
में दिखाते हैं. Like exactly it happens sometimes.
Oh God. So how do you deal with all
Sorry, could
these
you please
things?
repeat?
Yeah, how do you deal with all these things? With all such
I don't.
collaborations that you get?
I really do not collaborate with them because they've got an entire team working for the brand, and
Yeah.
I cannot talk with the owner directly who is heading this.
Yeah.
So there is no point in telling the marketeer that don't do this or something like that. It just
Yeah.
doesn't make sense. Because वो ऊपर तक जाएगा ही नहीं. He is saying that he is just doing his job, which is obviously
Exactly.
he's
Which
doing
is
his
true.
job,
Yeah.
but yeah. So I just don't take these collaborations under considerations. Like it's okay. It's
Yeah.
fine if I don't do this. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. So, and how do you, I mean, remain so motivated, like, you know, to create content, to try out new things? What's that one thing that keeps you motivated all the time?
My love for filming, that is what keeps me going, to be
That's
honest. I'm more
amazing.
of a junkie for photography and videography than actually being a foodie. Foodie is
Yeah.
something that just comes with it and I do love it.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah, so
someone
that
has
is
commented, you have electricity girls. Yeah, I know it's a big issue in Pune these days.
crazy. It's still non-stop raining.
Yeah, it's been raining since 3 days.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Do that.
Yeah. So any piece of advice that you would like to give someone who's aspiring to be a food blogger?
I will not say what generally people say, yeah, be true to yourself, be genuine and all
Yeah,
those things. Find
yeah,
inspiration whenever you can. Just don't copy ekdam ditto.
exactly.
Fine.
Hmm.
I'm not saying that don't look up to other things or don't do exactly what they're doing. Do what they're doing. You can try it. Hop on trends because that is how you're gonna get viral at the end of the day.
Yeah,
So that is
that's
gonna
true.
help you a lot. So hop on viral trends, check out what other bloggers are doing, and put in a little, you know, khud ka spice a little, and that is how it's gonna work. That is what I have been doing, and it's working great. And even if
Yeah,
you don't get a huge number of followers, it does not matter. कि ऐसे नहीं है कि सिर्फ 4,000 followers है. How do I get collaborations? You can
yeah,
still get collaborations if you have a worthy content. People do not always fall for the number shit. I mean, they do
that's true.
fall,
That's true.
but if you can pitch yourself well, you
Yeah, yeah, that is the key. That is the key, you know. Perfect.
just have to present yourself and make them understand कि आप क्या ऐसे different दे रहे हो.
Exactly. So
And
yeah,
please do
talking
not
about
get
that,
followers.
sorry.
I would highly tell all the other bloggers, please do not buy fake followers. It's not going to help you in any single way. Because it's going to look into your interactions. अब लोग एक 10,000 rupees देके कुछ तो amount of followers
Yeah,
and post पे there are like 2 likes. Like darling, what are you gonna do with those 2 likes?
exactly. Engagement is the big game, you know, and people fail to realize that.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're saying something. Cut you off. Sorry.
Yeah, so talking about that, what do you think that is your USP, you know, that's different about you, about your page?
I would say currently it's the reels. I am loving to getting on all these new life trends. I
Yeah.
love doing that. That is my USP. One of my reels did hit like 7 lakh or something, 7 lakh and counting.
Wow.
I forgot the number. So that
Yeah.
is really interesting. I'm
Amazing.
loving doing all these trends because
That's
it's not
amazing.
just like think karna hai because all these या फिर dance करना. I cannot dance. Like all those people dancing on reels. Oh my god, it's
Yeah,
like next
yeah.
level. But then I do take the sound and then try and make something out of it. कि reel के हिसाब से I shoot in the
Yeah.
same sequence of something. So that is nice. Hey,
So I think
someone's
that also involves a lot of
sorry.
learning.
Someone is
Sorry.
asking. One
Yeah.
of my followers, he's asking, what is Girls Buzz?
Okay, what is Girls Buzz? So Girls Buzz is basically a community of women for women, and we create content on various platforms. And basically, we are working towards providing a safe space for women to, come enjoy, share their mind, share their heart out, and get a community built. So that's Girls Buzz for you, and you can check out more of us. Go to our website, follow us on our Instagram page and YouTube, and you'll get to know what it exactly is.
Yes, you can
And
also check some of the other live stuff again, right? I was saying they have some
yeah,
interesting other live sessions also they have uploaded on their IG. You can check it
yeah.
out. I
So
did check
please
it.
go check out. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, any questions among the audience if you guys want to ask something? I saw a lot of people dropping in many questions.
Yeah. I guess वो सारे ऊपर चले गए.
Yeah, we'll just try and get some.
There's too many notifications, yeah.
Yeah.
Still comments are missing now.
Guys, please put in your questions if you want to ask anything.
Yes, please. Aditya is saying proud of our Pune. Yes, we are so damn proud of our Pune.
Yeah.
Hi, Sahil. MIT girls on the go. Yes.
Okay, so people recognize us.
Yes, we do. You're in which year currently? Or did you
So I
graduate?
have graduated this year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I was 1 year junior than you.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yep.
God, I cannot see कितना ऊपर जाए. Scrolling
Fan
down.
selfie. So yeah, definitely I would like to ask you. So have you like gotten fans coming up to you, followers coming up to you that Shreya, we want one selfie?
No, they don't come up to me for some reason, but then they do DM me after 5-10 minutes. Arey, was that you? I wanted to come up to you and talk, but I couldn't. I
Oh,
don't know. I didn't want to make you awkward. They're very sweet वैसे. They don't come and
yeah,
like, Shreya, how are you? How are you? करके creep जैसे. They
yeah,
politely
yeah.
ask, that was you, ऐसे. So that is very sweet of
And
them.
I think people might be a bit awkward also to, come up and all of a sudden barge into you and say hi.
I would hesitate a little to go and just randomly tell someone like, hi, I follow you.
Yeah,
I mean, they're very sweet. I say they come up to me. Sorry, they DM me like to that
yeah,
after like 5-10 minutes. Oh, you were with your friends, so I didn't tell you or come up to you. So it's very cute. I say.
that's so sweet. Yeah, so what is the best message that you've ever received from your followers?
Best message.
Yeah,
There was this. I don't remember the name of this girl, but there was one day where 3 people out of nowhere just DM'd me, ki, yaar, I love your work so much. You get to
yeah.
eat a lot. I understand. I'm jealous of you for some reason. And it was a huge message. I was like, oh my God, some person took their time out, 9 in the morning,
Yeah.
typed this lengthy message and sent to me. I was like, okay, that is very dedicated life they have for
That's so sweet. And so, in this food blogging journey of yours, have you ever encountered any such incident where you have, experienced any kind of hatred, maybe in comments or in person?
Not from other like followers or something, but yes, from another blogger. I did have an incident. That was the only incident that I have with a blogger, which is not good. Well, it
Yeah,
started collaboration, and it just ended up very messy, which could have been handled very sophisticatedly with some
yeah.
respect, but it ended up real bad. Although, I mean, it was not good.
All
That's it.
right.
And we are
No
not on
worries.
top of anymore.
Yeah, these are just part of your journey. These things are very, yeah, they cannot be avoided as well, I mean, it's just a part of the journey.
Yes, I mean, desperately wanted to avoid it, but I just couldn't. I got so violent and I just
Yeah.
was filled up with rage. Like, how do you dare say all these things to me and stuff? But there was no point.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, there's no point to deal with all such things, you know. You have to just set apart your ways and just move on.
What is your
Okay, so
favorite fight?
Simon, yeah, 5 minute snack. What is your favorite 5 minute snack?
Favorite final snack would be my yeah. So favorite snack would be my
Yeah.
5 minute Oreo cake. It is legit easy to make. It tastes
Wow.
almost like a brownie, and you can make it with just what 3 ingredients, and it's done. And I eat it hot. It's tasty. Yeah, you should try it out once.
Amazing. So please check out her reel, guys. It's amazing and definitely try it out.
It's literally you can find these ingredients at home. What you need is Oreo,
Yeah.
baking soda, and milk.
Wow.
Done.
Amazing. So, Shreya, what is your favorite dish to eat? I mean, after trying a lot of these things, what is your favorite?
Favorite dish to
Yeah.
eat. I would say pizza is my go-to.
Okay.
Like I need a good pizza for like I say not like vegan pizzas. Okay, I support vegan people. All that's fine, but I'm so sorry. Pizza cannot be made vegan. It tastes. Please don't play with our pizzas, guys. And the favorite thing would be Burmese khao. I love a good khao. It tastes, but
Okay.
actually, and a whole plate of loaded nachos.
I believe a lot of us might be loving this and wanting to eat it in such a nice weather, especially.
Hot cheese over these nachos, home baked
Yeah,
nachos. Yeah.
amazing. And what's your favorite ghar ka khana? Like after trying all of these restaurant stuff and fancy stuff, you would be missing like that ghar ka
Yes.
touch, you know? Yeah.
Ah, घर का favorite खाना would be potato की सब्जी, like the regular yellow potato की सब्जी and roti. Must. That is my all-time favorite thing to eat. And puri.
Yeah.
Puri.
Amazing. That's super easy and actually that's super tasty.
It's my comfort food. I love puri bhaji.
Great. Okay, so any more questions, guys? Anything you wanna ask?
Yes. I
Okay,
guess.
so which place would you suggest in Pune that, you know, at least a person who is not a foodie but is trying to love food? So what place would you suggest for them to go to? Like the
Oh,
one place that you would suggest.
but depends. I need to ask कि कौन सा cuisine खाना है. That would
Yeah.
depend. किस food चाहिए? पानी पूरी चाहिए या South Indian कुछ चाहिए? If I think South Indian, I think one should go to Rupali rather than Vaishali. I know people would hate me for saying this. Vaishali
Yeah,
mat ja. But
Vishali has a great fan following.
great is tremendous. It's like
Yeah.
unconditional following for these Vaishali. But I feel personally like Rupali ka khana is much better. Rupali and Amrupali. Although
Okay.
Rupali is still budget friendly. So any day. Shreya, what is this?
Yes, the best. Definitely she is.
That's just a
And what is your favorite Maharashtrian food?
favorite Maharashtrian food would be
Yeah.
Puran Poli. I love Puran Poli
I
and
saw that coming, you know. I don't know. I had that feeling.
it's so typical. And I love ukdi se modak that we get on Ganesh Chaturthi or
Yeah,
something,
yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like they don't make it like daily or monthly. It's just specific on Ganesh,
Ganesh
like
Chaturthi.
200% of the year. That is all
Yeah.
I know. I love eating that because घर पे तो बनता नहीं है वो तो I wait eagerly for Ganesh Chaturthi. Please, I need that modak.
Amazing. So we are waiting for you to come up with a very easy recipe of that as well.
Oh my God, I wish, yaar. It's so tough. I mean, वो दिखता ही
Yeah.
कितना complicated है. Like how they do
Exactly. I mean,
it.
the shape, the filling, everything is so complicated.
It's so delicate too. Like, how?
Exactly. Perfect. Um, okay, so I think we are done with all the questions, and yeah, so people just asked away whatever they want to.
I'm sorry, I got cut off again. Yes.
No issues. I know there are many like network issues right now.
Yes, exactly. And
Okay.
I guess there is less interaction today because of this weather itself, I think.
Exactly. I mean, there are many people who are not able to connect because I saw many people connecting and disconnecting. So that's one issue, big issue as of now. The weather is not on our side.
Exactly, the weather is not on our side. And
No
plus,
problem.
there
We'll
were
have you again. No worries.
surely I love the
Yeah,
chit chat. Really
definitely.
nice. I didn't feel like I'm talking with you for the first time, so it's good.
That's so good. I mean, I had a real great fun. Like, it was my first time talking to a food blogger, and it's just amazing to know all of these things.
Yes.
Amazing. So, okay, we shall wind up as of now. And
Yes, yes.
it was amazing having you on board, Shreya. And all the
Pleasure.
best to you, to your page. Just keep growing and keep spreading love with your food.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye,
Bye.
people.